Hi guys, let's see how to restrict your child to view Netflix Kids only and set up parental controls on Netflix. So for that, open any browser on your computer or on your phone and go to netflix.com, and now log into this netflix.com. Now once you have logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines and tap on account, and now scroll down and find adjust parental controls. Tap on it, and now you have to enter your account password for security reasons. Now here what you have to do, just tap on different ratings. Okay, so let's say you want your kid to view only 7+ videos without a password, then select this. Now let's say you want to allow them to 13+, then up to 13+ only, then you should select it. Okay, now once you have done it, tap on save, and now the viewing restrictions will be saved. Now whenever you will try to play certain kind of videos which are over that parental controls ratings, so let's say I am trying to play this video, okay, playing this movie, then it shows that this title cannot be placed because it exceeds the maximum maturity ratings set in your parental controls. So this is a very good method to set up parental controls in your Netflix account. Thanks for watching.